upbringing that I have had, I always thought that Irish wasn't really for me. But when I saw that the course was in the Waterside, which is it's somewhere that I know, so I was happy to come along and give it a go. And I think Gertie was a bit surprised, you know, because I would have had absolutely no background in Irish at all.
We're from opposite sides of the community, and in the school that I went to it was taught, and of course in her school it wasn't taught, so it did take me by surprise, very happy surprise.